Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with I've been saying National Scrapbook Day because that's what I've taught all these years, but now I guess it's International Scrapbook Day. It's a kit that I'm offering with a pre-recorded video. So it's a kit that will take you through how to assemble your mini album, or you can use it as a mini journal. And it will also come with some extra goodies, but I'll share that in a minute. So what you get is this is the Typewriter Circles TN from Carpe Diem. It also comes with one of the larger inserts. I'm so thrilled. And this one is, they're all brand new. They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. They have pockets on the inside. They have pocket here, additional strings, 4 strings. And then you have this flap in the back for like a notepad, and then a pen or pencil. And of course you have that pocket as well. So, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous TN. So after we finish, you can keep adding and put in more TNs that you can just either make or purchase. And I will be glad to share links and whatnot in the email that I'll send you. So anyways, I love these. I also have the larger TN inserts that have more pages. So if you're interested in that, send me a private message and I will be glad to include that, send you the price and the information all about it. So anyways, I love those. I love the thicker inserts. I just feel like I get more bang for my buck. Anyways, but that's just me. Okay, it comes with this gorgeous, so this is all creative memories. So gorgeous 12 by, I think it's 12 by, hold on, 5. Yeah, 12 by 5-inch sticker sheet. You have border strips. You have 4, and they're dimensional. So you can, they're not dimensional. They're cut. So they have, darling. I think this one's a strip. Yeah. So, and then just tons of extra sentiments and, stickers and whatnot. And these are cardstock. And here it says sweet, SWEET. And here it says today. And I almost said it, but I wanted to be sure so you can see that. So absolutely fun. Comes with that. It also comes with an ephemera pack, and this is the 2020 National Scrapbook Day kit that I'm adapting. Now, the 2021 was all kind of like, kind of reminded me of March 17th, and I just felt like this was a more well-rounded one. So anyways, but it is absolutely charming. It's got kind of a strawberries feel and mint or robin egg blue. And yeah, so I just love this kit. So I can't wait. I also am pre-cutting all your papers. I know. Now, you can also send me a message and say, I want to buy the kit, but don't pre-cut my papers. It will cost a little bit more to ship because of just the dimension 12 by 12. But I'm very happy to do it for you. I wanted anybody and everybody who doesn't have a trimmer, number one, to be able to pick this up and do it and literally have a working journal or album, whatever you want to use your for, in a matter of a couple of hours. Fully decorated, beautiful, easy, fun, the whole bit. So I am super, super excited. Also, if you notice the size, if you do any of the Instax or the HP Sprocket, that might just fit. So I really did kind of think ahead on this, and I really try all the time to think ahead, but as you can see, it is a lot of fun. So there's 16, I believe, of the larger page sheets, and then of course we have some of the border type sheets. We have some of the what I call mini camera sheets, and then we also have some of the square, hold on, I don't think you can see that, square, a little bit rectangular sheets. So super, super excited, and you can just see how much you get with this kit. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So just very quickly, some of the sheets look like this. So they're the little strawberries, and then it's kind of a green with a bit of a herringbone pattern. Super cute. And then we have kind of a top watercolor type look. And then we have a pinstripe, a bird's egg kind of distressed pinstripe. We have a dotted Swiss. And the other side of that is a gorgeous plaid. So, and very neutral. We have some of the very nice Creative Memories cardstock. So, absolutely gorgeous kit, in my opinion. Of course, it's just my humble opinion. So, anyways, and it matches beautifully with the tin and everything. I also am throwing in extra some of the gorgeous dimensional little birdie stickers. And then, so you've got the tulips. Here, let me pull these out. You've got the gorgeous butterfly and flowers. And then you have these gorgeous tulips that I love. They are so beautiful. And then two couples of dimensional flowers. So, and the colors in these might vary a little bit. In the blues, you might get two the same, but I just thought they are so beautiful. Anyway, so you can just see, there's all that. And then tons and tons and tons and tons of punched. We're going to make flowers. We're going to make our own flowers. We have banners. We have hearts. We have clouds. We have big rhinestone dimensionals. We have all kinds of things in this kit. In here, I want to think, I know there's over 25, there's probably closer to 30 of these little insert, and there may even be more. I have not counted them. I just started punching things for you guys and went crazy. I'm going to admit it, went a little crazy, but I just wanted these kits to be fully full. Now, with this kit, you're also going to get some other goodies. And those are my surprises. You will receive the original National Scrapbook Day from Creative Memories 12 by 12 project sheet. And you can take any scrapbook paper, work in a 12 by 12 album, and you've got it. Or if you just wanted to do a one-page layout for a picture frame, anything like that. You will also receive, like I said, some extra goodies. So I'm super excited. I've tried to load these kits as much as humanly possible so that you guys get a really, really, really wonderful opportunity. So how does this happen? So what I'm going to do is you will email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. It is listed below, and you will say it is first come, first serve. There are only 5 kits. I'm keeping this very small. If this is a hit, we'll build more. But right now, I just want to keep this very simple because today, as I video this, is National Scrapbook Day or International Scrapbook Day. But we do not have any internet and any telephones. So we are completely without here. It's very weird. So we've had lots of storms. We're getting rain right now. So just lots of issues. So anyways, in the meantime, I just wanted you guys I wanted to video this so that you guys could see what this is about, what you would get, all of that, and kind of just use my time wisely. But I'm excited. My next step is I will be pre-recording before any of the things go out. So this whole kit will be made for you in a video. So the video is for free. You're paying for the kit, and you're going to get extras. What does it cost? It costs $35 plus shipping, and I can only ship within the United States, and I'm so sorry, unless you want to pay additional shipping to Canada and other countries, because I know we have people from all over the world on this channel. So, but $35 is such a steal. I mean, I just can't tell you. I was able to secure some things at my cost through Creative Memories, as well as through connections and whatnot. You know, I mean, God is really good. So anyways, long story short, this is a super fun kit. And just really quickly, while I finish this up, I wanted to open this up and show you some of this darling, sorry, it's really noisy, ephemera. So if you didn't notice, the card that supports all this can be used, and it says, "This is us." So Creative Memories doesn't miss a beat. They do not. So, of course, you have darling. Let me scooch this back. Can you hear the thunder? I mean, it is really going. Oh, we've had a little bit of flooding in our basement, so, but we're hanging in there. Okay, so we have 4 of the beautiful strawberry leaves, and of course we have strawberries and the strawberry blossoms, and berry sweet, and a journaling spot, more strawberries, another little label area, more, lots and lots of these. Don't you love these? These are so stinking cute. Let me make sure I get it all up here so you can see. Sorry. We Last night in the rain, there was a huge, I'm sorry, we live in the country, so we have rattlesnakes and we have rat snakes or king snakes. Well, you want the king snakes because they eat the rattlesnakes. Okay, sorry, I know, TMI. There was one caught in our drain, and my husband was out in the storm, lightning thundering, trying to get it unclogged because that's how our basement gets flooded. So he just walked down the road to let it go. He put it in a box and put it, yeah. So anyways, so that's kind of what all the commotion is. My daughter was coming in. So long story short, ew. And then all of these cute little tags, little, what am I trying to say? Not banners, but flags. And then look at this. Isn't that sweet? Live simply. More journaling spots, more journaling spots, and more journaling spots. So if you can't tell, these kits are loaded. You're going to get ephemera. You're going to get stickers. You're going to get dimensional flowers, dimensional stickers. You're going to get tons of die cuts to supplement this. You're going to get some funky little fun, gorgeous, big old rhinestones. You're going to get pre-cut pages ready to roll. And I mean, isn't that gorgeous? I know. You're going to get this gorgeous TN and then a 12 by 5 inch gorgeous sticker sheet that coordinates with all of it. So again, first come, first serve. So be sure, I'm not sure when this will post because of our internet and phone situation, but I will be posting this immediately, creating the video content, so, to take you through the guided project. And yeah. So, all right, friends, again, email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. First come, first serve. First 5 that email me, they get the kits first. And then I will send you a link on how you can pay for your kit, and we are good to go. All right, friends, I hope you guys are having a wonderful National Scrapbook Day today. I sent out a message, and I don't know if it's gone out. We get things here and now and then. We can get an occasional text. We can't even call the phone company. We don't have anything. But I did send out a message that there was information coming out. So I hope you're having a great International Scrapbook Day. I hope you're either working on your scrapbooks or you're looking at your beautiful memories that you've recorded. And scrapbooks, journals, whatever it is that you like doing. Okay, friends, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And please, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Be safe. Have a great day. Love y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.